Hey guys, Josh here. Most of you know me, but if you don't, I own a men's clothing store, Iron Shop Provisions. It's located in the front of my welding shop. We also opened a New Orleans store a few years ago in Carondelet Street. If you're in the area, stop by either location. We'd be happy to show you around. But however, I want to jump on and show you guys or introduce you guys to a new return policy. In the past, we've only done store credit, and being a small batch retailer, it's tough to offer anything more. But we're going to go out on a limb and try to do returns for money back. No fees. I'll eat the POS fee for now. As long as it's sustainable, we're going to keep this up. You're going to be responsible for the shipping there and back. To keep all this organized, we're going to be using a Loop return portal, and I'll walk you through that. Check this out. All right, so here's our website on our cell phone. Left column, return at the bottom. In the center, start a return. You're going to type in your order number. Choose the item. Choose the item. It was too big. This is going to help our staff out some. We'll have the exchange for a new size. The return item is going to give you a couple more options. We'll go over that in a second. But to confirm the item that you're returning, we're going to go the extra large to a medium. At this point, you're confirming still. You have two options. You're going to instant exchange. It's going to hold your credit card for the amount, $260, until I get the return in. This allows me to ship it out right away. Huge feedback on that. The other option would be just to do a typical exchange. All right, so let's cover the return for store credit or refund. The item was too big. You're confirming that you want to return the item. It's going to give you a place to shop, or the bottom of the portion of this page is $260 back, and you have another place to confirm that. The refund, the original payment is $13. That's the particular shipping on this item. We will be emailing you a return label so that covers the shipping fee. And we appreciate your help, guys. We excited about this new return policy, and we hope you guys have a great new year. Thanks.